wherever you're watching me from across the world. My name is Omenoko, Emeka Moses of the Omenoko Lifestyle Channel. You know what we're all about already. Today is day 33 of our beans farming experiment, which should span 75 days. Day 33, and we have 42 more days to go. And besides the fact that it's day 33, it's also day 10 of the second set we planted. Nothing much is happening in the farm. We're just at the waiting stage. I'm going to basically come and weed all the farm. The beans is growing. Nothing much is happening. The leaves are expanding. The beans is doing well, apart from the fact that infestation is affecting some of them. We have a lot of grass growing around, which we're going to work on. Then this is the second set we planted on its day 10. It's day 10 for the second set. So tomorrow is Monday. I've not been able to go get the chemicals. That's the fertilizers I want to add. I'll get them tomorrow, Monday. Today is Sunday. Shops are not open. I've been busy like throughout yesterday, today. But tomorrow first thing in the morning, I'm going to be getting the fertilizer and I'll apply them. NPK and urea. And maybe any other thing that can help with this fungal infestation. These black stuffs that grow on beans. This video is going to be short because there's nothing much here. Our second set of beans, they are doing good. This one have finally fully given up the ghost. The one we're supporting. Its second, this infestation is just too much on it. I'll try and sort that out tomorrow also. So in about 10 days time, 10 to 15 days time, we're expecting that the beans will start flowering. If it doesn't flower in between 40 and 60 days, between 40 and 50 days, we expect the beans to start flowering in about 15 days time. If it doesn't flower in 15 days time, then that means you probably should not plant beans in dry season. I'm so eager for that time to reach, because if it flowers, that's the sign that it's going to produce pods. It's going to produce pods. So everything is just status quo. There are things, my observations today, what I need to attend to tomorrow or going forward. I'll add fertilizers to the ground. I'll hand pick the weeds, and I'll have to look for a solution to those black stuffs that are growing along the stem of the plant and the leaf. So that's what I'm going to do. And I think that's that for today. We don't have much. We have out of the 18 new seeds we introduced, let me find out how many is surviving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, even this one, the infestation has killed it too. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we have 14. So we have 14 of the second batch of beans we planted. Let's see how that pulls through. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Thank you.
Bye. I'm saying bye. Bye, guys. I love you.